The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gave us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the beautiful souls who has been working energetically every day to make our future a secure and a safe for us and a brighter future. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes and gratitude towards our teachers who give us impeccable contribution in shaping us. 5th September is celebrated as Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's birthday and also a Teachers' Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day with a great happiness, courage, excitement as students wait for this occasion very eagerly to pay their due respect and show their gratitude towards teacher, because teacher improve our growth development in different skills and by physically and mentally. They teach us know to do novel works in our future and the rest of our life. Teachers, there is a saying that teachers are greater than the parents. Parent give birth to a child, whereas teacher would develop the personality of the child and provide a beautiful future. Teachers are the roots of our future. If teachers are not there, we are also nothing without them. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From their leads and ideas, thoughts that one day each of us we will provide our thoughts and their thoughts to the society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teachers for selfless service and dynamic support. We are grateful to you. Thank you, ma'am, for being always with us. Happy Teachers' Day.
गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you for making our future brighter.
Good morning everyone. I say that the person who guide us, inspire us, support us, learn us, teach us, and today is the day to thank them and say Happy Teachers' Day. And I have a picture for them. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you
everyone. My dear teachers, you have encouraged me every step and been strongest support of my life. Thanks for everything.
Dear teachers, we all are lucky to have teachers like you. You all are a fabulous guide. Without you, we would have been lost. Thank you, teacher, for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. Though you write in black and white, you brought colors in our life. Happy Teachers' Day.
यादों की पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में बड़ी चबन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन. ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी, जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे. वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, है वो
gift for us. Teachers is our friend, guide and philosopher. They teach us the right path of our life.
First of all, thank you teachers for guiding us, supporting us in every situation and inspiring us every time.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर. गुड मॉर्निंग सर. मेरा भाई बहुत बीमार है तो सर मुझे उसे हॉस्पिटल लेके जाना पड़ेगा. तो सर मुझे लीव चाहिए सर. इतना सारा काम है और तुम्हें लीव चाहिए? जाओ यहाँ से. सर मेरी बहन का तबीयत बहुत खराब है और वो हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट है तो सर इसलिए मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. अगर मैंने भी इसके साथ वैसा किया तो क्या फ़र्क रह जाएगा. ओके जाओ जाओ और अपनी बहन का ख्याल रखना और अपने असाइनमेंट्स पूरे कर लेना. थैंक यू सर. ऐसा कोई एक दिन नहीं है कि टीचर ने हमें किसी चीज़ को समझाया ना हो. ऐसा कोई एक दिन नहीं है जब टीचर ने हमें किस चीज़ पे डांटा ना हो. बट यहाँ पे बात ये नहीं कि टीचर का डांटना हो या ना हो, पर हम इस डांट को प्यार नहीं समझते. हम ये नहीं देखते कि टीचर की भी अपनी एक प्रोफेशनल लाइफ है, एक पर्सनल लाइफ है, और हम बिना इन सब चीज़ों को समझे ये सोचते कि टीचर हमें गुस्सा कर रहे हैं, हमें डांट रहे हैं. हम ये नहीं सोचते कि टीचर जो भी कर रहे हैं वो सब हमारे लिए ही कर रहे हैं. तो चलो दोस्तों, मिलके हम सब कोई खुशी से टीचर्स डे बनाते हैं, उनके हार्ड वर्क को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, उन्हें कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करते हैं इस दिन पर.
We love you teachers.
We all love you, teachers.
We all love you, teachers.
Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.